Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about MAC address versus IP address. Did you know your laptop actually has two different addresses at the same time? One address can change every time you connect to a new Wi-Fi network. The other address is permanently attached to your hardware. So what's the difference between a MAC address and an IP address? Today I'll explain both using the simplest real-world analogy possible. Think about yourself in real life. You have two important things. First, your permanent legal identity, like your Aadhaar card, passport, or fingerprint. Second, your home address, where you currently live. Your home address can change if you move to another city, but your legal identity stays the same. Networking works almost the exact same way. Your MAC address is like your permanent identity. Your IP address is like your current home address. So, what is a MAC address? A MAC address stands for Media Access Control Address. This address is physically attached to your device's network card. It is usually permanent and unique for every device. No two devices should normally have the exact same MAC address. Think of it like your hardware fingerprint. Devices inside the local network use MAC addresses to identify each other directly. And MAC addresses mainly work inside your local network, like your home Wi Fi or office network. So, what is an IP address? IP stands for Internet Protocol Address. This is the logical address assigned to your device when it joins a network. Unlike MAC addresses, IP addresses can change. For example, today your router may give your laptop 192.168.1.50. Tomorrow, it might become 192.168.1.100. So, depending on the network configuration, it changes. Routers use IP addresses to send data between completely different networks across the internet. MAC address is permanent, IP address is changeable. MAC address is physical address and IP address is logical address. MAC address used inside local network. IP address used across networks. So here's the easiest way to remember it. MAC address is your permanent identity. IP address your current location. MAC addresses help devices communicate inside the same local network. IP addresses help routers move data between different networks across the internet. Imagine your laptop wants to open YouTube. Your router first uses the IP address to figure out where the data needs to go. Then inside your local network, device use MAC addresses to deliver the data to the exact hardware device. So both addresses work together constantly every time you use the internet.